Come on, it's just a bunch of hocus pocus.
I want you to stay. I'm in the grave. Till I rot away, dead and buried. But I'm in the casket you carry. You go, I'm going to. 'Cause it was always you. Oh, and if I'm turning blue, please don't save me. Nothing left to lose without my...
What's up, y'all? It's Sha-Deana Z and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notification bell so you get notified every time I post a video. And welcome back to my Vlogtober series. Hopefully you caught my last video. I did a Dollar General Halloween decor haul, and when I tell y'all, it was worth it. Okay, I was looking for some pieces that weren't too big or too heavy for my vanity and my vanity shelves, and I found the perfect pieces that were lightweight and small enough for my vanity. So make sure y'all check out that video to see. But in this video, I will be decorating it. Okay, I'm definitely about to remove all of this fall decor, clean it off, and decorate it for spooky season. Okay, so make sure y'all stay tuned and let's get into it.
Hi guys, welcome to the channel. You like button, you push it to you and make.
Say what's up, guys.
What's up, guys? You always say subscribe button, you push it to you and make.
Say what's up, guys.
What's up, guys? You always say subscribe button, you push it to you a day for beta.
Are you trying to mimic mommy when I do my YouTube intro?
Yeah.
All I heard was subscribe button, which I heard. But yeah, she just wanted to show y'all her hair, and she wanted to be a part of my Halloween vanity decorating.
What's
Look,
up,
show them your hair. Ooh. She's still saying it. Look, you want to show them the details? All right, show them the details. Show them your earrings. Let me see your earrings. Ooh, she got the mini earrings. All right, y'all, we got these little matching hats. We about to put them on. You want to put on your hat?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, let's put yours. You want to wear it like this?
No.
No. It'll cover your hair. You don't care? Okay. Look, you like it? Ooh, you see it? You see. It's so cute, right?
I want you to stay. Till I'm in the grave. Till I rot away, dead and buried. But I'm in the casket you carry. You go, I'm going to. 'Cause it was always you. Oh, and if I'm turning blue, please don't save me. Nothing left to lose without my baby. Birds of a feather, we should stick together. I know I said I'd never think I wasn't better. And can't change the weather, might not be forever, but if it's forever, it's even better. And I don't know what I'm crying for. I don't think I could love you more. It might not be. I'm looking for somebody I can call. Looking for the only one I can get my own. Tell me that it's you. What you wanna do. You can be my teacher, I'll do homework. You can give me extra credit, baby, I'll do more. What you wanna do. I feel like falling in love. I'm in the mood to something up. Something I need to drink in my cup. Hey, I'm in the mood to something up. I wanna go missing. I need a prescription. I wanna go higher. And I wanna go where nobody's been. roll call. Is you hear a word? Show up, show up, show up, show up. Pull up, pull up, pull up. You missed a I clean it up. Go where nobody's been. Go where nobody's been. Have you ever had fun like this? I wanna go missing. I need a prescription. I wanna go higher. Can you go tonight? Suspicious minds. On my body, boy, you got it. Hit them dry lips while I it got me acting daddy, so excited, so exotic. I'm a seasoned professional. Don't let it go. No self-control. I got time today. Got time today. I got time. Oh, I got time today. I got to wait to come out and play.
Alright, y'all, we are finished.
Hey.
We are finished decorating. You want to show them what it looks like?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, y'all, here comes the reveal.
In the city, remember you used to drive a Yukon. I pick up whenever you call. In the parking lot in Tucson, like, are you with me? In the Phantom with the roof gone. I pull up like Jimmy Neutron. I can help you get a move on. Like keep on, I know you like to go slow, but we could go faster. Tell me the password. Slide city, you know what that means. I'm coming up on you quickly. Rapping nice things. Slide. Put me as a man tryna get in the bed, so I'ma get slouched instead. I know it's gonna make you bad. Know what I do.
Alright, y'all, Zari wanted to put on matching socks like me, so I put her on the little fuzzy ones, and I guess they fit. They fit, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, y'all, that is actually all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell so you get notified every time. Yes, so you get notified every time we post a video. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.